WordPress 7 is out, your dashboard is nagging you, and half the internet says update now while the other half says wait. Here's the calm answer, and a safe routine for when you do it. First, what you actually get. WordPress 7 is mostly about the editing experience. There are new blocks and a long list of refinements across the editor. The command palette lets you jump anywhere in the admin straight from the keyboard. Editing large pages is noticeably faster. And block themes get better design tools. Styles, patterns, and templates keep maturing. So, update now or wait. It depends on one thing: how complex your site is. For most sites, a straightforward setup with well-known plugins and a recent backup updates soon. The benefits outweigh the risk. Running a store, custom code, or a long plugin list? Waiting a week or two lets plugin compatibility updates land first. But never confuse this with security releases, those minor updates you take immediately, always. When you do update, the routine is the same every time. 4 steps in this order. Step 1. Take a full backup you actually know how to restore, files, and database. Step 2. Update your plugins and themes. Compatibility fixes ship before and alongside the major release. Step 3. Now take the WordPress update itself. And Step 4. Click through your site, homepage, a post, your forms, and check out if you sell before you call it done. One quick check. The backup comes first. Every other step is safe to get wrong when you can restore. So, should you update to WordPress 7 yet? Yes. Soon for simple sites, and after compatibility, updates land for complex ones. And always with the routine. Backup, plugins, core, then click through your site. When you're ready to master everything WordPress 7 changed, our complete training covers it hands-on. All the full courses and training are at the address on screen. The link is in the description as well.